everyone. Today we're going to go how to draw Santa. So we're doing one of these a year. So let's start it, okay? We're going to be easy and for beginners. So right now I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw a kind of like an egg shape on its side right here for Santa, for his nose. All right, I'm going to go pull out, curve up, a little swoop for his mustache. Down over here, and I'm going to pull back up. Same thing on the other side. Out over here, swoosh. Try to make it a little bit even. Out over here, up. Line underneath. Fill it in. And curve little line for kind of under the mouth, right? Because it's a little bit of flexion right there. Don't forget, by the way, this stuff, it's just, you want to be close enough. It doesn't have to be exact. It doesn't have to be like amazing. You just want it to be close enough and it'll be fine. All right, we're going to go over here now. We're going to pull up, curve for the eye. And we're going to pull down. I'm going to go over here on this side as well. Up, curve, down right there for the other eye. Curve over here. Curve over here. Line in right there. Kind of hides a little bit behind there. That's the eyebrow. Over here on this side, exact same thing. Pull it over. There we go. So far, so good. Don't forget to hit the like button, by the way. I kind of forgot to mention that, but helps the channel out, helps the the video out, etc. Gonna go right over here for the inside, out, inside over here, curve for the pupil and iris, and then right here another little circle and a little circle, and we're gonna fill it in right there. I'm gonna fill it in right there. I'm gonna go right over here, down, over here, down, line across. All right, and now we're gonna draw the, what do you call it? The little like the what do you call it? The brim of the hat. There you go. I don't know why. Sorry, my mind's a little bit all over the place. Don't forget, get all the free cute stuff. By the way, I basically have an ebook on how to draw something cute. So the easiest way to do that is because make a large head with a small body. But how big of a head, right? Compared to the body, there's kind of like a procedure to that, and 95% of the cute stuff you see does this one thing. And I go over it too. I go over exactly how big and how different the size is. I go over different, different hand choices. Is it the spoon hand like Animal Crossing, or is it the nub, little nub hand like in Chibi stuff, right? I give you little choices of that stuff so that you can apply it to characters that you create. You can apply it to characters that already exist. You can make your own cute versions of them. You can draw like maybe people as cute characters. All of that stuff is free. Right? It's a 10-page ebook, completely free. It's a PDF, and it's something you can have on your phone, right? It's all pictures. It's just charts. That's it. That's what I'm saying. Like, once you look at it, you're like, oh, now I know how to do that, right? And you can apply it immediately. You can either look at it on your phone, or you can print it out. It's made to print as well. So it's free right now. Go down to the description right now. Click that link, and you submit your email, and it emails you the PDF. Okay, let's get back into this. We're going to go over here to the brim of the hat. Right there, that's the brim. And we're going to go this side, out, over here, curve over here, and I'm going to pull a line over here on this side right there for the tip right there. And we're going to go right here and draw a ball here at the end of the tip there. Cool, cool. let's get to the beard, which is incredibly important, right? I'm going to go right here on this, start maybe on this side right here. And I'm going to go out right there. Curve right here. And curve down and up right there. All right, right on. I'm going to go over here on this side. Line. Line. A line across right here for like the waist area. Up over here, angle, angle right there, square right there for the basically the belt buckle. So we're going to draw another square, almost exactly the same way. Curve line over here, curve line over here for the rest of the belt, right? We're going pretty good at a pretty good pace. Okay, we're almost done. And right here is the brim of the outfit, which is going to be white. Line down for the leg, line down for this leg, like that's how I like, line over here, line over here. And then we're going to pull a line outward, in, up right there for the kind of the boot area. Same thing on this side. And all it is really simplistic lines across right there. There we go. Almost done. Curve line over here, curve line over here. And we're going to start about here, and then we're going to curve up. We're going to have his arms over here. So curve over here. On this side, line, 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 line. Line over here. Curve for the glove. Curve, curve. Another curve around there. If you want like extra points, you can probably add in, you can fill in the dark of this belt, right? And that'll kind of give you some extra points right there. You don't really have to. To be honest, I kind of wish I didn't start doing that because now I have to do it for right now because of the video. But that stuff, it kind of makes stuff pop a little bit more when you you know, when you fill stuff in that's completely black, right? And stuff like this. So, but that's pretty much the end of it. I want to thank you very much for watching. Please share the video if you can. It definitely helps the channel out. Merry Christmas, and I'll see you tomorrow, okay? But what I want you to do right now is I want you to share the video, and I want you to stay right there because we're going to do another drawing lesson together right now. So I want you to stay right there.
Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.